Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I just wanted to give you a tip on what I do sometimes if I don't have a solid colored cardstock in a certain color to back a piece of designer paper for that accent. This one in particular is Lemon Lime Twist, which is one of the 2017-2019 retiring in colors from Stampin' Up! And at the time of this recording, this lemon lime cardstock has already sold out. So I wanted to show you what you could do instead of that cardstock and not just leaving that out. You could choose another color palette, but if you wanted the lemon lime twist and you have the ink pad and Whisper White cardstock, here's what you can do. I have a sponge dauber and my ink. And I'm going to ink this up pretty good, and then I'm going to come and just color my cardstock. Now, this is something I wouldn't want to do all the time, to color a full piece, but since I'm just needing about a 1/4 inch of a border edge for around that gingham check, I'm just going to sponge the edges here, and then let's see how it works. You don't even have to be really neat about it. You can just apply that ink and get it as bold and as dark as you'd like. And so I'm just going to rub over it again. And I like the daubers because you can get some really heavy coverage with it. Okay, now let's see. There we go. Problem solved. Okay, it's a little bit darker than my cardstock, but I used a heavy hand and quite a bit of ink, but it could still feel the need if you needed it. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have a question I can answer, I'd love to in a video. So email me at lisa@inkandinspirations.com or leave a comment here under the video, and I'll talk to you all again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.